run fast. Truth is, the faster I run, the faster my thoughts stop bugging me. When I'm out there, things line up. The wind passes and somehow my head starts to vanish. I get these strange little thoughts when I run. Like, why does life get easier when I get harder? Why everybody forgives my mistakes quicker than I do? Sometimes I wonder if I'm running towards something, or just running until the noise behind me gets tired. But every now and then, there's this tiny moment, barely a second, where everything feels simple. Just me, the dust and the truth settling quietly in my chest. And that's usually when I realise I'm not running to escape. I'm running because this is the only place where I feel exactly like myself.